Hi YouTube, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing. It's my bespoke post box, and I've been getting this for about, I guess 6 months now, and I really enjoy everything I get. It's very high quality products, and let's see what today's box is. I'm able to preview these boxes before I get them and choose which ones I want or swap it out for a different one. This one here is the one that I chose because it comes with the tool, as you see here, and it's basically a hori tool. So let's see how this looks. I'm doing this with one hand, so inside the box here is, you have to excuse my mess. I've been opening all my mail. And I believe that's it on the inside of there. Inside this little pouch, oh yeah, I forgot about this, comes the Base Light Grooming Detox Bar, gold moss and activated charcoal. It's a 4-ounce bar. This is about the same size as the soap that I sell. This is a men's fragrance bar. If I can get it open, which I can't get it open with one hand. But basically, I think it's all natural ingredients. Yeah, so and then this here is a bird call. You basically just twist this little thing here and it makes a bird call. And then the key item here, oh, sorry, I've got packages everywhere, is the tool made by Bare Bones. And it says here, what does that say? Whether you're cultivating, cooking, camping, or exploring, our products will elevate your outdoor experience and create a more enjoyable connection with nature. The key features of this item is a bamboo handle, one-piece stainless steel construction, straight edge with serrated edge, a bottle opener, and a twine cutter. And let's see here. Oops, sorry guys. It's a little top heavy, which, here's the twine cutter. Serrated edge, smooth edge. Comes lightly oiled, which is good. I was checking to see how well it was sanded, because sometimes it's a little rough around in here, but that's not too bad. And then it's got little notches for inch marks on how deep you are digging. So yeah, it's a nice heavy tool. This handle is got reinforced steel on the end, so if you were going to take a hammer and pound this in for splitting wood, it will do that without damaging or splitting the bamboo handle. So yeah, each box is $45. That's the base price of these boxes. And if you add any items to it, of course, then the price goes up. I just picked my box for next month, and I've got the wet sharpener that'll be coming in. So excited about that because I've been collecting knives through Bespoke, and the edges, I just need a good whetstone in order to sharpen my knives. So nothing beats a good whetstone set. So that's what's going to be in my next month's Bespoke box. But I thought I would share it with you just in case you were curious about what comes in the boxes and whatnot. I think the values are pretty good. Like I said, everything that comes in it is usually really high quality. So I guess that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching.